Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video and your daily updates on Fetch.Ai. All right, I wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, just in general, we got some moves again. We managed to hold our support, and we talked about this yesterday. I'm not sure if I talked about it in the video or in my short, because I also made a short video on it on my third channel, Cilinix Crypto Short. So you might have seen that. But no, we also got some sort of a breakout. I mean, just in general right now, technically, it looks more and more that Fetch will consolidate a little bit from here. You can see in general that the price is moving sideways a bit since last week, Friday. And the EMAs are also falling flat a bit. So what we did is we did break above the EMAs. And those actually provided some support as well from the break retest. So I don't think we're fully consolidating yet. This could still very well turn into some sort of bullish momentum, but the signs are here. All right, so let's dive right into Fetch right now. In general, and I say this in every video, but it's important that you know. All right, so for everybody that's new, they need to know it. So I'm sorry that I repeat it always, but it's just important. Fetch is very bullish because Fetch is, first of all, a great project, and it's a great AI project. And what we've seen in the last weeks and even months is that Fetch seems to be the strongest AI project overall. Now, AI at this moment is not very much trending. I mean, the market is quite strong. There are some other narratives that are doing better, I would say. But AI in general, and if you look at the medium term in the future and the longer term, is going to be very bullish. So right now, what you can see is that the whole market is bullish. Some other AI coins are outperforming Fetch. But longer term, Fetch is still definitely going to do great. All right, so that's kind of the fundamental situation around Fetch. If we look at the technicals, it's a bit ambiguous, all right? Because like I said, because of the fundamentals right now for both Fetch and in the market, I would say the most likely scenario is still going up. But then if you look at the technicals, you would say that this is kind of like a 1 hour time frame consolidation, where our main support level is right here at 2.7 and the main resistance is right here at $3 and 3.1. And we're going to get a breakout, and it looks most likely that that's going to be that bullish breakout, but still we do have to get that before making any assumptions. And our main price target would probably be at like 3.4, 3.5, all right? So do I ultimately think that Fetch will break above 3.1 and rally up to 3.4 and 3.5, and then from there we'll see again? Yes. So this is ultimately what I expect. But in the short term though, I think you should be a little bit more prepared for more scenarios. So for example, if we look at the market in general, and if we look at the circumstances for traders, what you'll see is that the funding rates also for Fetch are ridiculously high again. So what that means is that you have to pay a higher percentage to keep your positions open. And that always implies that we have a higher risk of having big spikes down. So be prepared for that. I mean, if you really like Fetch, maybe have a limit order at 2.48, which is a strong support level. Something like that. So something like that is what you should be prepared for. For now, I don't think a spike like that, if you're prepared for it, I don't think that's going to matter much. And if you look at Fetch right now, you can also look at the open interest here. So the amount of momentum that Fetch has. And that paints the same picture as the price, which is that it's consolidating. Since the 7th of March, so since Friday, the open interest has gone up and down. So for now, I think it's most likely that we'll just consolidate here between 3.1 and for now I would say 2.65, 2.7 as support. I expect that consolidation to hold and eventually, but I will keep you updated on that because that's not right now yet. But eventually I think we'll break out. And while we are in this consolidation, because the funding rates are still quite high, be prepared for a big spike down. All right. But for now, that's really what I expect, that we'll stay in this consolidation. And then ultimately, if we're talking about a real breakout, like I said, the bullish one is most likely. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.